Hello YouTubians and fellow hobbyists. Well, today we give it the finished touch, the assembly. First we glue in the windows. It also needs a few less touches in the engine compartment, like wiring the battery. Next we're mounting the heating hoses, so we have it nice and cozy in the winter time. Next we're mounting the accelerator cable. Even more important than a powerful motor is of course a set of good brakes, so we mounted the brakes now. Last thing for today, we mounted the bar that holds open the hood, but that's all for now. See you next time. Bye bye.